Guys, in this video I'm going to show you footage of a weird sound that I caught, and it's really quick. I think I was so scared when I looked at the footage when I got home. It was so creepy. So yeah, anyways, let's get into it. Cam 1. Replay. And guys, there's a bit at the end I don't want to show you, but I am going to show you it. Okay, it's so scary. It's the creepiest thing I've ever seen. So yeah, the thing at the end is so weird. I don't want to show you guys it, but I am just going to show you it. So yeah guys, I did tell you it was creepy. I am going to show you just the footage on YouTube. Okay, so